Okay, for those of you who are just learning to solder, I think this is important just to show you kind of a system that you want to set up. So you can't see it, but over here I have the pieces I need to solder. I have my flux, I have my torch, the torch is hung up, it's on, and then I have the pieces here that I'm soldering. And so these are done right here, and they've cooled down, we'll just move them out of the way. So I have right here, I have the little pieces of solder, and I have these little jump rings that need to be soldered. So what I'm going to do is come up with a nice flame that'll do this fairly quick for me. This is copper. I could come up with a more efficient system, but this is working okay. So we go like that. Pick up the solder. Set the solder down. Solder it. Set that down. Grab another piece. Make sure the seam is at the top. Heat that up. Add the flux. Like I say, there is more efficient ways of doing this, but this gives you an idea. Solder it. Hang up the torch. Set it down. Grab another piece. Now, the better you get at this, you don't have to really look at anything, because the memory, you just know in memory where everything's at. So I can hang up the torch without looking, set that down. Really, you want your focus right in here, so if you can keep where you're pretty much looking at the area you're working on, you have a greater chance for success. Okay, I missed a few times there, but I solder about once a month now, so that memory has kind of gone away a little bit. You could also set these down on a rotating table and really do it quickly. So that's it. I thought you guys would enjoy that, and it'll give you an idea of setting up a system when you're going to do soldering.